Hello again. Here is Alejandro speaking about the next activities and course material. So the next activities would be on course material number 3. Okay, so download material 3. Okay, and topic 2, we have activity 5 on page 5. All right, so you have to do this activity first. I'm going to read the information here on this brochure. This is a brochure. Remember, it is an important document for tourism and for the description of holidays in tourism to attract tourists to these destinations. Okay, so I'll read this brochure. Most of them are adjectives. So fill in the information in activity 5. You just write the word that I say in each space. Okay, I'll read this twice so that you can fill in the information. Okay, Salo has all the ingredients for a pleasant seaside holiday. Its major attraction is a quiet and incredible beach of beautiful and magnificent sands, backed by a long and tree-lined promenade. East of the beach, you will find many streets alongside a great coastline with numerous areas and several smaller bays. West of Salou is the picturesque, exotic fishing village of Cambrils, with its exotic beach, beautiful harbor, and many attractive seafood restaurants. It is a resort in its own right. But wherever you stay in the Salou area, you'll have access to a whole host of pleasures: sunbathing, every kind of water sport, and by night, plenty of excitement in several bars and discos. Another major attraction is the truly amazing aqua park at La Pineda, a short bus ride from Salou itself. Okay, so that's the text. You can listen to it again if you want, as many times as you want, to fill in the words in each blank. As I said, most of them are adjectives. Okay, then answer the questions based on the brochure. Answer the questions that are asked here based on the text, page 5. Then the first practice is based on the adjectives from the brochure. All the adjectives are positive, as you can imagine. A brochure should be attractive, should be positive for tourists. So here in this box, we have other adjectives that we could use in the brochure. So go back to the brochure on page 5 about Salou and Cambrils and replace those words that I mentioned, those adjectives I mentioned, with these. These are synonyms for some of the adjectives I mentioned. Not all, but most of them. Okay, so there are 9. So find 9 spaces in the brochure and replace the words I said with these synonyms. Okay, one only for each. Okay, and then more adjectives that you have to describe destinations, places for tourists. So here we have the first set 1. This is the information about adjectives in a place. So go to the place, the beach, the village, the hills, mountains, etc., and see which place is described by these adjectives. Okay, so these adjectives refer to what? What is a rolling place? What is a gentle place? What is undulating? Okay, so I'm going to give you the answer for this one. Set 1. A rolling beach? No, it's not possible. Okay, you never say rolling beach. It doesn't make sense. Gentle beach? No. Village? Rolling village? No. Okay. Hills? Colinas? Rolling hills? Rolling hills? Gentle hills? Undulating hills? Yes. Okay, this is possible. You describe hills as saying gentle, rolling. Colinas, onduladas, redondeadas, something like that. Okay, suaves. So you say that to describe very nice hills. Okay, do the same for all the adjectives. Low, rise, spacious, well appointed. What? What is that? Is this a beach, a village, mountains, hotels, views, city, or atmosphere? Okay, so go to all the sets and find the right place or destination that is described by these adjectives. Okay, and then in which sets above, in which sets, the ones that we have seen here, sets, the 8 sets of adjectives, in which one do you place or do you insert these? Okay, where would you insert these? Stunning, sheltered, referring to the places. Okay, so for example, we said rolling, gentle, undulating hills. Okay, so that's hills. So here we have another adjective that could go there into that set number 1. Stunning, sheltered, picturesque, craggy, tree-topped, 3-star, modern, exciting. Which one could go with hills, colinas? Okay, the best one is tree-topped. Colinas arboladas, llenas de árboles, tree-topped hills is the best possible one. Okay, maybe we could also say stunning hills. Okay, maybe yes, but the best one is this one, and there is only one possibility. Okay, so that's why only tree-topped. Then stunning we have to use for a different set. Okay, so only one. All right, so do that. And also think in terms of these characteristics. For example, tree-topped hills is a nature characteristic. Okay, this is for nature, a tree-topped hill. So think about the other characteristics for each adjective, referring to what place. Okay, and then this activity, the brochure, is going to be uploaded in a different place. Okay, if we go to Campus Virtual, you are going to upload the activities that I am describing here. Okay, you upload here. Activity 5 we just mentioned, you upload here. as always, adding submission and saving. Okay, until um, April April 5. This is the deadline until April 5. But not the brochure, except brochure. Okay, brochure you upload here at the end of the module for April. Okay, here you upload the brochure for page 7, topic 2, material 3. Okay, it's going to be evaluated according to these items. I want you to use good, nice phrases, adjectives like the ones we have seen, and visuals. You should use some pictures or video, whatever you want on the internet to describe this place. Of course, you have to be organized, coherent. The language should be correct, and the content should be good. Should be rich content. Okay, so this is the activity here on page 7. Use these adjectives and expressions, to upload the brochure. You can do this. You're not going to evaluate with your classmate, but you just do it on your own. Okay, and upload here on Campus Virtual. All right, and then page 8, we have another activity, activity 6, using different channels to promote tourism. So, for example, we can use brochures at the travel agencies to know about different package tours, which may include different sailing trips in the holidays. Okay, so explain different media, such as television, radio, internet, social media, newspapers, magazines, promotional events in sports, cinema, apps, etc. Explain these, at least four of these, to do what? What can you do with these to promote things in tourism? Okay, explain. Here you have the pictures to help you choose the media. So explain this type of tourism here, this one, this type of tourism, this type of tourism, and this type of tourism with the different media. Okay, use different media, not brochures. We already used brochures, but use television, radio, internet, etc. Okay, and you include that in the activities that we have mentioned at the top of the module here. You include that in the activities here. And then another activity is on page 9, different possible marketing strategies for Monfragüe. So think about different media, the channels that you could use to promote Monfragüe, explain why you use this media, what are some of these distinctive features that can be found in Monfragüe that other places don't have, or many places don't have. You can check links here to give you some ideas about Monfragüe. And so that's activity 7. You can answer there too. Okay, and then activity 8 is another activity for module in April, until April 20th, module 3. And upload this brochure here. Okay, activity 8, page 9, the brochure about Monfragüe. Again, use a very nice text, but in this case, you follow this model. Okay, follow this model for Monfragüe brochure, but also use pictures and visuals, any other multimedia you want for the brochure, and you upload here in this activity. Okay, and then the last activity would be activity 7 on page 9 for this section. Okay, so next time we'll start in a different section. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Take care. We'll be in touch, and I hope we can meet again soon. Bye.